This folder right here gets me in trouble so much. It's my shopping and food folder. I have Amazon, I have Baskin Robbins, I have Boohoo, I have Buffalo Wild Wings, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, Diggin', Domino's, DoorDash, Drizzly. Jesus, Andrea, we eat out so much.
I heard they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's on my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Like I said in my intro, I'm going to be showing you what's on my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I just recently did an unboxing and installing video for you guys. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. I'm going to list it up in the cards. I think they're right here. So I will link it down in the description box. So make sure you check that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I'm going to be recording here and then I'm going to screen record on my phone. So just so you see, I have this clear case that I got off of Amazon. I will also put that in my Amazon storefront down in the description box. Right now my screensaver is just a picture of me and my man. So yeah, that's it. So let me get right to it. So you can see this is what my home screen looks like. I just have like the calendar widget smith up at the top, then another smaller photo widget picture at the side right there of me and my boyfriend. Then I have the weather app. As you can see, all of my apps are like different. None of the logos are like the original logos, and that's because I customized my phone with the iOS 14 update. I do have a video on that. If you haven't seen that video out, make sure you check that out after you watch this video. I will also put that up in the cards and down in the description box. The first app I have is the weather app. I'm just gonna open it and you'll see I'm in New York and today is kind of a cloudy day and sunset is in about an hour. So I gotta hurry up and do this video so I don't lose this good lighting. I just have like my mail or whatnot. I don't have nothing crazy in this inbox right here. Just got some Jamba Juice stuff, Victoria's Secret, Fashion Nova, whatever. Then after that I have the Chase app, which I'm not necessarily gonna open right now. Ooh, y'all don't even need to see that, to be honest. And after the Chase app, I have notes. So I don't have any notes open right now. So this is where I just have like YouTube ideas, just like what I put in my my description box just to fill it up all the way. You know, some captions for Instagram photos. What videos I need to do next, clothes I picked out, different things or whatnot. After that I have my photos. You could just see like screenshots of, you know, stuff I was working on. Nothing too crazy. I don't even think I'm gonna show you all of that. Just some photos. It's just my camera and, you know, it's facing me or whatnot, and this is what I look like. I look cute actually. Let me get a little, it's a little dark here in my on this. This is just my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me and, you know, go like my pictures, go give them comments, go show them some love. I'm gonna put my Instagram up on the screen for y'all, so you know. And it also will be down in the description box. Like the link is there, just go click it, follow, and then I won't have to keep saying that. Then after that I have YouTube, and it's obviously my YouTube channel that's open right now. And then these are just like the videos I've done recently. So, you know, hit that subscribe button if you still watch it. I have my YouTube Studio app, which just lets me see, I'm gonna see if I can edit some of this, which just lets me see like how my videos are doing. It lets me respond to comments faster, like this one right here. Right, and I always respond to all my comments in my YouTube videos, so you know, go ahead, leave me a comment. I'll be right back with you. After that I have Facebook. This is really just like, you know, family and friends, but I am on a couple Facebook groups for YouTube, but I usually just use Facebook for like people I know, like, you know, personally, like I went to school with you or we're family. That's what I normally use Facebook for. Next, I have Snapchat. I think I'm about to post a little snappy snap, so hold on. I have to, ooh, this is cute. Cute. That's mad cute. So I'm just gonna post that. After Snapchat, of course, it's Twitter. I recently just got on Twitter, so make sure you guys follow my Twitter. Put that up there too. And Twitter's just so like interesting. My phone, then my text messages. I'm not gonna open any of that, like my phone log, text messages, Uber, and then this one right here, the one at the bottom, is my it's my Tidal app. So it's where I listen to music. And lately I've been loving female rap.
You know what I like? I be talking my shit, but you know I can fight.
I gotta block me a whole nigga daily. I tell him he know my bop like the baby. Okay, whatever. Now that I'm done with that. And that's really all I have on like my main screen for my phone, because customizing it, like literally taking time out to customize every single app with like different pictures and different fonts does take a lot of time. So these are just the apps that I use on a regular basis. With iOS 14 and any other update after that, what you can do is hide your other screens. So that's basically what I did. I have my screens hidden. And I just have like the apps right here, like the app library with the eraser app, so I can just edit my photos, Fonto for my thumbnails, Capital One because I also have Capital One, Facebook, you know, my recently added apps, TikTok. I don't really use TikTok. There's some other apps there like a guitar band that I don't really use or whatever it's called. So, you know, I have Facebook, FaceTime, and you can see all of these are like the original logos for the apps, but since they kind of don't match with my theme anymore, my black girl in luxury theme, I have them hidden and it works out just fine for me. I don't know why I have a text now number. Oh, okay, I remember what that was for. Never mind. Acorns is this app I use to help save money. I did just get a new phone, so not everything is set up completely, but Acorns just saves, like it just rounds up your dollars for you. So let's say if something was $9.95, it takes that extra 5 cents and it puts it away, and then you just save money that way. The only thing I want to touch on here is like Widgetsmith, because that is part of how I customize my phone. If you guys want to know how I customize my phone, I do have a video. I mentioned that earlier. I'll put it up in the cards. Canva is how I make some of my thumbnails. Clips, I don't remember what that one's for. I really do have to go back and like re-look at all my apps. Eraser is how I, you know, edit thumbnails. Facetune is how I edit pictures. GarageBand really isn't for creativity. It should be in like a fun folder, but whatever. iMovie is how I used to edit my videos. I could do it on my phone or on my laptop, but right now I'm using Final Cut Pro. If you want to try Final Cut Pro, they are doing a 30-day free, not a 30-day free trial, a 90-day free trial, so you could go ahead and try that. InShot is how I edit some stories. Insta Stories is how I edit stories. Lightleap is editing for pictures. Lightroom is also editing for pictures. Mojo is editing for Instagram stories. No Crop is how I would like try and get my how to square out some Snapchat photos. Over is also a photo. Most of this is just like photo editing, except for repost. Repost just allows me to repost actual videos of other people's Instagram posts onto my story, so that it's a live video and not just like the thumbnail of the video and you have to click on it. You can actually watch it. TubeBuddy is how I work on my SEO for YouTube, just to, you know, make sure everything is as optimized as it can be. Is how I use to schedule Instagram posts and like know what my feed would look like, and also like see when's the best time for me to post. Like it would track when my followers were online and what days I got more interactions, what days I got more likes and comments, things like that. Lastly is the YouTube Studio, but we already talked about that. Find My iPhone just comes with the phone, and it's like Find My iPhone, Find My AirPods, Find My MacBook. Like, it does all of that. Fonts is also an app that I use to customize my phone. Like I was telling you, I changed every single app that is on my my main screen. I changed the fonts, I changed the logo, I changed it all. So after that, I have entertainment. So of course I have the AMC app, which I was using to watch. If they're gonna play the music, you might as well enjoy it, right? AMC, which I was using to watch The Walking Dead. AMI music is actually this really cool, basically like a digital jukebox. So like if you walk into a bar or a place with one of these digital jukeboxes, you can actually play the music right from your phone. You don't even have to get up to put money into the jukebox. You could just do it on your phone. Sometimes I be messing with people at the bars and I be playing Baby Shark like 4 times in a row just to piss everybody off because I think it's hilarious. Then I have Eventbrite for when I want to go to like a day party or a club or something like that, brunch, whatever, and you need tickets. Instead of paying for it like while I'm at the door, because sometimes it's a little more expensive, I just do it on Eventbrite and then I have the ticket right here on my phone. HBO Go, I was watching Insecure on HBO. Then I have Netflix. SmartCast. So let me tell you about SmartCast. I have SmartCast because one day I lost the Fire Stick remote. I lost it. I didn't know where it went, and I was just like, wow, what am I gonna do now? So I downloaded it, and it's basically like a remote on your phone that you can use on your smart TV or your Amazon Fire Stick or your Apple TV, I guess. You could just use it on your phone like a remote. TouchTunes is another app like AMI, so it's, you know, digital jukeboxes. You know, sometimes the jukeboxes are different. They're not all the same jukebox because that would be monopolizing. Then I have YouTube. Okay, y'all know what YouTube is because y'all on YouTube right now. This folder right here gets me in trouble so much. It's my shopping and food folder, and as you can see, I eat and shop a lot. I have Amazon, I have Baskin Robbins, I have Boohoo, I have Buffalo Wild Wings, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, Dig In, Domino's, DoorDash, Drizzly. Jesus, Andrea, we eat out so much. So most of what I will say is that most of the food apps I have is because you get rewards for things, okay? Like Baskin Robbins, you get a free cup of ice cream for your birthday if you have the app. Buffalo Wild Wings, you get like points and stuff. So like I like to accumulate the points so I could get free wings. Come on, guys. Chick-fil-A and Chipotle, I don't like to wait in these lines. The lines are always ridiculous, especially at Chick-fil-A, because we only have about, I think we only have about 3 Chick-fil-A's in New York, like in New York City. So the lines are always ridiculous. We only have 3 Chick-fil-A's in New York, like in New York City. So the lines are always ridiculous. Well, what I like to do is just order my food online, get to Chick-fil-A, skip the line, just pick up my food and go. I already paid for it. I already ordered it. I don't have to wait in line. Also, same thing with Chipotle because I'm not waiting in line for Chipotle. Dig In, I think I have this app because they are a card-only restaurant, like a card-only eatery, restaurant, whatever. They don't accept cash. Pay for it with whatever app they have in, like whatever system they have within the app. I just pay for it like that. Drizzly is actually one of my favorite apps. It's basically like DoorDash but for alcohol. So if you're 21 and older, you can just buy your alcohol online and they will deliver it to your house within an hour. So I appreciate that. I have Krispy Kreme. We just got like 2 new Krispy Kremes, so I think there's only 3 Krispy Kremes. Actually, no. Yeah, there's only like 3 Krispy Kremes in New York City, but you get a free donut for your birthday. Basically, you can just see that I eat out a lot and I like to shop. I like to eat more than I shop, apparently. After that, I have games. I have 2048, which is one of my favorites. It just goes like this, and the objective is to make it to 2048, just like this. Bricks and balls, differences, dig this, guess emoji, Halo ball, Paper IO, Paper IO point 2. Pixel art, Pokemon Go. I probably should delete that, but my boyfriend's been playing that recently. But he never want to walk to the spots, so I don't get it. One of my favorite games, Sandwich. You just basically make sandwiches. Spades, Squarebird, Sudoku, Trivia Star, Woody, Word Brain 2, Wordscapes, Word Search. Apparently I just really like word games, which I do. And then travel, oops. I have Bolt Bus, Google Maps, Greyhound, Juno, which probably went out of business. I haven't heard of anybody using Juno in a very long time. Lyft, Maps, Move It, Uber, and Via. I have information in reading, so I have like the Bible app. I will give thanks to you, Lord, with all of my heart. I will tell all of your wonderful deeds. I will be glad and rejoice in you. I will sing the praise of your name, O Most High. And that's Psalm 9, 1 and 2. Then books that came with it. Translate is like Google Translate, but not Google Translate. The weather, and then the word of the day. Let's see what today's word of the day is. Okay, franchise. An authority that is given by an organization to someone, allowing it to sell its goods or services or take part in an activity which the organization controls. And I have health and fitness, so I just have 30-day app that I'm not using, the health app that came with my phone, the life app which I use as a period tracker, Nike Training Club, which I haven't used in a very long time, I'm not even gonna lie, Sports Club, which is the app that my gym uses for, like, you know, if you want to sign up for a class or something like that. That's what Sports Club is. And then Zova is another like fitness app that you can use to work out at home. And then the last thing I have is other. So I do have CoStar, which is basically like astrology. Okay, so it just has like my chart here and like the glance of the day. It says love is scary. I don't like that. Then I have daily horoscopes. I'm a Virgo, so I'm just gonna tap on Virgo. It's a lot to read, so I'm not gonna read it right now. And I have European Wax Center. I do need to set up a new wax appointment. Then I have Pinterest, and Pinterest is honestly like the best app in the absolute world. Pinterest is the manifestation app. Anything you want to manifest, make a board on Pinterest, pin all the things you want onto your board on Pinterest, and look at it. Like everything I want to manifest, everything I have manifested, I've done it on Pinterest. I've also do scripting and stuff like that, but that's besides the point. Pinterest is your manifestation app. So Selfish Babe just gives me daily positive affirmations. So the selfish affirmation is, I am loved unconditionally by the universe and my spirit guides. I know that those who watch over me only want the complete best for me. I am walking in my destiny. So then, you know, you can also listen to the Selfish Babe podcast if you would like. And then the last app I have here is Style Seat. This is what I used to use to book hair appointments. But nowadays, most stylists do have a website and you can just book on their website. That is all that I have on my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. If you guys made it to the end of the video, leave me a comment saying which app is your favorite app to use. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you're notified every single time I post. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.